Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to set a song as your ringtone on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then, go to Sounds and Vibration. In this menu, tap on Ringtone. If you have trouble finding it, you can use the search tool at the top right and type ringtone. Once there, you will see a list of default ringtones that come with your phone. If you want to use a song instead, make sure the song is already saved on your phone. Then tap the Add Ringtone option below. Keep in mind this option may look different on your device, such as a plus icon, and its position may vary depending on your phone brand. This will open your music files, where you can select the song you want. Once selected, you can listen to how it sounds. If you're happy with it, press Done. Now, whenever you receive a call, your chosen song will play as the ringtone. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.